Daughter and my niece here. When they were in the 3rd grade, I am now bringing my niece's children to this location. This is what it's looking like.
Auntie, I'm gonna go upstairs. I want to check out.
Go upstairs and check it.
Come on, Callie. Come upstairs.
Oh man, I got a pain in my side. I've got to control my pain. Not with my keys, you don't. You'll be to throw them over the balcony. All right, this is what they call, this is the outdoor section. So they have an outdoor. I don't know where the indoor is. They have an outdoor and an indoor. Stop yelling over the balcony. Get down from there.
Come on, Callie. Let's go back in the house. Let's check upstairs. I love this kind of place. I have two.
And this is the loft.
Another bed.
And they got,
Another bed.
oh Lord.
That's all I have.
This all is have. This enough
Yeah.
for us.
Yeah, that's enough.
And then, all right, this is it. We're only here for one night. I'm gonna have to get a picture of the indoor. That's the outdoor.